Hi, I'm Seth, and I'm going to spend the next 5 minutes walking through some of the most pressing challenges facing the banking and financial service industry. And I'll talk through how Telesign can help you solve some of these core challenges. So we all know that there are a number of vulnerabilities that extend across the customer lifecycle. Some of these attack vectors occur at the sign-up phase, where fraudsters are using a combination of real and fictitious identity traits to create synthetic new identities. Over the last number of years, we've seen a huge rise in social engineering and account takeovers, while fraudsters find different weak points across the customer lifecycle and they exploit them using deceptive tactics to intercept one-time passcodes to penetrate and take over end-user accounts. And perhaps the fastest growing fraud is APP scams or authorized push payment scams, where fraudsters, again, are using deceptive tactics. They're using phishing to trick or con unsuspecting victims to transferring money directly into the fraudster's bank account. Telesign offers a number of different products that can be layered into your fraud prevention stack that can help you detect and defend against these types of frauds. So starting at kind of that onboarding, kind of that eKYC sign up phase, we all know that identity proofing is complex. You're tapping into a number of different data sets across the spectrum of digital identity, and Telesign plays a piece of that. So for example, by partnering with mobile telcos all over the globe, Telesign can give you a really strong indicator that's tied to an end user's phone number. When you input or when an end user inputs their phone number, Telesign can deliver back to you the name, the address, the date of birth of that user. We have a contact matching product. So again, when you input that phone number, Telesign can pool the information that's on the application, the PI information that's on the application, the sign up application, and we can benchmark that against what's on the mobile contract and deliver a 0 to 100% accuracy score. We have our subscriber status product that benchmarks a number of different traits that's on the contract, the tenure, the account holder, the payment status, etc. And you can use that to better detect risk. And lastly, we have our breach data product that tells you if and when a phone number was found in a recent data breach. We deliver a timestamp of when that was, and we list out all of the other PII information that was found in that data breach as well. So moving on to the sign-in phase, the account integrity phase of your customer's journey, Telesign has a number of mobile identity attributes that can be layered into your password resets, into those critical interactions across your customer journey to help you better safeguard your customer accounts. So we have our SIM swap product, which delivers a timestamp of when, if and when a phone number was SIM swapped. So for example, if it was SIM swapped in the last 24 hours, that's a high risk signal and you can act accordingly. Similarly, we have our porting history that determines if and when a phone number was ported out to another carrier. If you're using voice one-time passcodes, we have our call forwarding detection product to determine if a phone number is being forwarded, if voice calls are being forwarded to another device, and number deactivation. So if your customer recycles their phone numbers, they get a new phone number, we can help determine when that phone number was deactivated. So the next time your customer logs in, you can re-verify and get the correct number activated on their account. So for account updates, Telesign empowers our customers to move beyond SMS and email, some of the legacy OTP methods. Telesign offers a more modern authentication experience. So we've all received text messages from our banks, whether that's a one-time passcode, whether that is an alert, reminder, or notification. It's a random 6-digit short code that we as the consumer don't know if that's our bank or not. By empowering our customers to tap into the over-the-top channels, WhatsApp, RCS, Viber, now you can start communicating with your customer with a verified sender ID. So your customer has peace of mind that they're interacting with their bank. We're empowering our customers to eliminate one-time passcodes altogether with push verify or silent verification, which is using a more modern approach to securely authenticate end users without the need for end users to entering that one-time passcode. And lastly, moving on to the APP fraud. Telesign, this is one of our newest products, which is called Active Call Status. Telesign can deliver some really critical insights related to that phone number in the midst of a transfer. So quick walkthrough, customer is transferring $2,000 out of their account, which by your rules, that's an abnormal amount. Before that transfer can take place, you can analyze your customer's phone number, and Telesign will deliver some key insights back to you. We'll just tell you if that phone call, if your customer's phone call is actively on a phone call. We'll tell you the duration of the phone call and how the call was terminated. So for example, if one of your loved ones is on the phone with a fraudster, they received a call an hour and a half ago, and they're trying to transfer $2,000 out of their bank account, we can deliver those risk signals. So you can use, in combination of other data that you're using to assess risk, to hopefully challenge or block that interaction to safeguard your customer. We have Telesign works with some of the largest banks in the world, and our customers use Telesign to strengthen and save on eKYC programs to prevent account takeover accounts, enable omni-channel multi-factor authentication, and to send alerts, reminders, and notifications.